lot and welcome back to my YouTube channel, Sainsburys. Thanks for tuning in. Today's video is going to be my Easter decoration haul and come and decorate for Easter with me. I hope you enjoyed the video today. Make sure if you do to like, subscribe, hit that bell button so you don't miss out any future videos, and let's get this one going. Hey you lovely lot and welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you are new here, hi, I am Sarah aka Sainsburys. I'm a mum of 4 gorgeous babies who are Stan age 12, Ava age 8, Sky age 3. My baby girl Violet, who is in the video today, is 8 months old. Aren't you, baby? Yeah. Violet is not feeling very well. She has caught Sky's cold and cough and has been attached to mummy ever since she caught it. So the only way I'm going to do my video today is if the little Bobby is in it, but she is very entertained with her toys. Fingers crossed she stays entertained all the way through. Yeah? Okay, so today's video is going to be, like I said, my Easter decoration haul. I bought a few bits from Sainsburys and Poundland, and one extra thing I got from Pretty Little Home that I forgot to put in my previous video. I went into the kitchen and I saw it there and I thought, oh my god, I knew I was missing something to put in this video, so I'm going to quickly show you in this one. Yeah, so I hope you enjoyed the video today and let's get on with it. Right, so the thing I'm going to show you from Pretty Little Home is my set of 3 gorgeous eggs that I got for £12 altogether. So we got a big one, we got our medium one, and we have got our small one. They came in a set. I don't think you could buy them separately with these ones, but most of the things that they sold on there for Easter, you could either buy them separately or as like a bundle, but these ones I think are only as a set. But it's really cute set, I think. I'm not sure yet. Well, I've got 2 places in mind where to put this one, but I haven't quite made my mind up, so when I do place them all at the end of the video, you will see where I put them. But they are really, really cute. They look handmade as well. I love like this sort of paint effect it has on it. It looks like it's been made with clay and painted. It's so cute. And that is what I wanted to show you in the past video. The second lot of stuff I'm going to show you is all from Poundland. I didn't get too much from Poundland as I only went to the small one, so I didn't have too much in there. And I think when things go in there, people just buy everything and then they don't restock it. You want my eggs now, don't you? You can't have the eggs. You got bricks. Oh, what's that one? Yeah? This is what it's like doing a video with a Bobby in it. Yeah? Can you see yourself? Oh, who's a pretty girl? Okay, so what I got from Poundland. First, I got these tea light holders. We have got a pink one. And we have got a blue one. And they've both got little bunnies cut out. And they were both £1 each. That's where you put the tea lights. I think they're really, really cute. And I'm going to put these on the window still, I think. They did have, I think it had a yellow one as well, but I thought pink and blue. I didn't want to get too much. But they are really, really cute. I also got a set, a 4-pack, and they're basically eggs. And there is 2 bunny ones, a chick one, and also a egg that has a chick painted on it. But these were £1 as well. I thought they were really, really cute just to put on the table with the big eggs. And they were £1. And then the last thing I got from Poundland is actually for this little Bobby. I got this little set. So that Violet can be a little bunny. It comes with bunny ears and a tail, and it was also £1, and she is going to look too cute with this. So if you do want to see her with this on, watch out for my Instagram because it'll probably be all over there. Yeah, this one's for you. You're going to look so cute, aren't you? I would love if they did ones with pink in the ears, but I think the blue ones are just as cute. Yeah, you're going to look so cute with them on, aren't you? Yeah. And that is what I got from Poundland. The rest of the stuff that I got is from Sainsburys, and I can tell you how much it is because I kept the receipt. So the first thing I got was this Easter tree. Basically, it doesn't come with anything with it, but it came. Let me start that again. It doesn't come with any decorations with it, but on the aisle with it, there was like painted eggs that you could put on there. So I just bought them to go with it. And I also do buy the kids like mini eggs, and I thought they could hang them on the tree. It's for like an Easter egg hunt. Eggs, I mean. I cannot talk today. That is the tree. The tree was, I got it for £9.93. Quite a precise number there. You like this one as well, don't you? It is 56 centimetres in height. I have taken out the box and I will show you at the end of the video it all decorated. But it is a really, really cute tree. The next thing I got was this gorgeous little bunny. So it's called a pom-pom bunny wreath. And this one will be going in the front room, I think. I love the little flower details that it has by the ear. So cute. When I walked into Sainsburys, this was actually the first thing I picked up because I thought it was so cute. And this one was £9.74. Just a cute little wreath to put in the front room. And talking of wreaths, I've got a new one for our door. We did have one before, but literally all the eggs were coming off and it just wasn't very cute anymore. And this one I got for £12 in Sainsbury's as well. And I love this one because it has little daisies as well as the eggs. So cute. I had my eye on this one for a while and I had to talk my partner around into getting it. As I said, you know, our other one, it is breaking and we are due an upgrade. And he said, yeah, totally, we can get one. And Mummy picked this one. Yeah, we got that one as well. Another thing I got was, so it is supposed to be hanged up, but I thought it looked really cute on the table. And this one is called a grass bunny hanger, but I thought it looked really cute as a centerpiece in the middle of the table. You like everything I'm showing, don't you? Yeah. This one, while my hair is being pulled out, is £6.30, which isn't too bad. I thought it looked really cute in the middle of the table. And that is definitely going to be the centerpiece. Although I think it looked pretty cute hanged up as well. So I might change my mind last minute, but we shall see. And the next thing I got was, so for the Easter tree that I showed you for the beginning of the Sainsbury's part, here are the eggs that I bought to go on the tree. It's literally just called mini eggs 9-pack. And I haven't opened these up yet. Are they going to allow me to open them? So they're literally just little eggs that I can hang on the tree. And also I will add some chocolate ones in as well, which will hopefully stay on the tree and the kids won't eat them straight away. I thought they were really cute. So you get 9 in a pack, and they were £4. The next thing I got was this cute little wicker basket. The basket was £2.50, and I literally just thought I'm just going to bung a load of eggs in and stick it in the middle of the table as well. It was such a cute little basket, and I can see me using this for not just Easter, for something else as well. I just thought it was really cute looking. It's called a premium wicker basket. And the last thing I got was a grass patch table runner. We do have one already, but Sky has taken a liking to it, and I put it up at the beginning of April, and she's just started ripping the grass off, and it just needed to be changed, so I just got a new one. And this one was £1.65. And it is 75 times 25 centimetres long, so it's pretty long. So hopefully it will look alright on the table. And that, my lovelies, is everything that I have bought for Easter. Okay, you're going to sit with Mummy now, yeah? That is everything that I have bought for Easter. It wasn't too much stuff, but we did have quite a lot of stuff already, but it's just little bits to put around the house. I hope you enjoyed the video, and I hope you enjoy watching where I put all of it. And yeah, is that the end of the video now? Yeah, you want to play? We're going to play, and Mummy's going to put the things up, and I will see you in my next video, guys. Bye, lovelies.